Hello everyone. Let's start today's topic.
Mutual fund MCQ. Number 1. Establishment of mutual fund under the option A, Indian Trust Act 1882, option B, Indian Trust Act 1881, option C, Indian Trust Act 1884, option D, Indian Trust Act 1883. Right option is A, Indian Trust Act 1882. Number 2. Mutual fund is managed by Space and Manly Space Scheme. Option A, profit long. Option B, professional investment. Option C, profit investment. Option D, professional long. Right option is B, professional investment. Number 3. Who has managed the mutual fund? Option A, BMC. Option B, SMC. Option C, AMC. Option D, CMC. Right option is C, AMC. Number 4. Full name of AMC. Option A, Asset Management Corporation. Option B, Asset Managerial Company. Option C, Asset Managerial Corporation. Option D, Asset Management Company. Right option is D, Asset Management Company. Number 5. Function of mutual fund under the guidance of option A, SEBI 1995. Option B, SEBI 1996. Option C, SEBI 1997. Option D, SEBI 1998. Right option is B, SEBI 1996. Number 6. Mutual fund is a space trust. Option A, none of the below. Option B, private. Option C, public. Option D, both B and C. Right option is C, public. Number 7. Starting of mutual fund in space century. Option A, America 19. Option B, India 19. Option C, China 19. Option D, England 19. Right option is D, England 19. Number 8. Space fund started firstly in America. Option A, open-ended. Option B, closed-ended. Option C, interval. Option D, equity. Right option is A, open-ended. Number 9. First stage of mutual fund in India. Option A, 1961 to 1985. Option B, 1962 to 1986. Option C, 1963 to 1987. Option D, 1964 to 1988. Right option is C, 1963 to 1987. Number 10. Establishment of UTI. Option A, 1960. Option B, 1961. Option C, 1962. Option D, 1963. Right option is D, 1963. Number 11. Fifth stage of mutual fund. Option A, from 2007 to up to still date. Option B, from 2006 to up to still date. Option C, from 2005 to up to still date. Option D, from 2008 to up to still date. Right option is A, from 2007 to up to still date. Number 12. How many AMCs are working in India? Option A, 43. Option B, 44. Option C, 45. Option D, 46. Right option is B, 44. Number 13. Very popular sentence. Don't space on your money to put your money on space. Option A, depend, believe. Option B, believe, depend. Option C, depend, depend. Option D, believe, believe. Right option is D, believe, believe. Number 14. Mutual fund is a space investment in the stock market. Option A, indirect. Option B, direct. Option C, A and B both. Option D, none of the above. Right option is A, indirect. Number 15. Which sentence from the following is not true for small investor? Option A, small investor have not fund to invest in the stock market. Option B, mutual fund scheme is not affordable to small investor. Option C, mutual fund scheme is affordable to small investors. Option D, mutual fund is good option to small investors for investing their saving. Right option is B, mutual fund scheme is not affordable to small investor. Number 16. High return possible in mutual fund because option A, received profit as well as dividend. Option B, received profit as well as increased price benefit of securities. Option C, received dividend as well as increased price benefit of securities. Option D, received dividend as well as benefit of profit. Right option is C, received dividend as well as increased price benefits of securities. Number 17. Mutual fund investment is depend on space factor. Option A, market profit. Option B, loss. Option C, investment. Option D, market risk. Right option is D, market risk. Number 18. Limitation of mutual fund is not true. Option A, low return up to long term. Option B, expenses happen even negative return. Option C, absence of control. Option D, price is not fixed. Right option is A, low return up to long term. Number 19. Sponsor of mutual fund has been registered under Company Act space. Option A, 2012. Option B, 2013. Option C, 1956. Option D, 1982. Right option is B, 2013. Number 20. Which is not a type of mutual fund? Option A, based on structure. Option B, based on investment. Option C, based on profit. Option D, other types of fund. Right option is C. Based on profit. Number 21. Which is not a type of debt fund? Option A. Income fund. Option B. Government securities. Option C. Liquid fund. Option D. Equity fund. Right option is D. Equity fund. Number 22. Which option does not selected by mutual fund to invest their money? Option A. Private sector bond. Option B. Bank deposit. Option C. Government securities. Option D. Public sector bond. Right option is A. Private sector bond.
Thank you.